Welcome to my kitchen. I want to share something with you that we do very often, and it may be called by different cultures something different, but it's my recipe, or I don't follow recipes, I follow what I have in the fridge. Some people may call it chili, some people may call it curry. We call it whatever comes first. I am using this time my best friend Instant Pot, and if you don't have that in your house yet, I bet you're gonna want it after this. Now it is super simple, nothing's gonna burn there. I can work while it's cooking, I can go pick up the kids while it's the pot is on and it's cooking, and there is no danger. So let's start right away. I have all the ingredients already prepared, and I have to say thank you to my children that have prepared the ingredients for me. We have leek, celery root. I love to cook with celery root. It is very aromatic and it gives a lot of taste into it. I have carrots and parsnip. Actually, this one is parsley root, not parsnip. I have mushrooms, eggplant, butternut squash, and crushed garlic, which we're gonna use at the end, but I crushed it so it actually releases the allicin medicinal properties for us. Although we were gonna kill them at the end, but yeah, we're gonna add them only after cooking, so it's going only into hot soup or stew, or not even stew, there is no meat. And I have tomato sauce from Costco. It's organic. That's one of the things that I use that is processed not often, but yeah, that's what we use. So I'm gonna start with butter. Actually, I should have first turn the pot on. So let's turn the pot on. Electricity. You see it's off right now. I'm gonna press the bean chili. Now if I press it more times, it's gonna give me less pressure, more pressure, normal or more. I just want 15 minutes. Right now I'll set it up to normal. And again, I'm gonna keep the warm setting off so it's not blinking yellow light. Now when it starts beeping, that means it's set and it starts warming up. Now I'm going to let the butter melt and saute the leeks with mushrooms. Yeah, it's not melted yet, but I'm just gonna add it in anyways. And I want to show you, I have prepared all the spices already. Okay, we have salt there. Oh, I'm not sure if it is. Yeah, we have salt there, caraway, coriander, cumin, curry. So the mushrooms are in the pot. The leek is done already. Now I'm going to add all the spices. So they marinate in that butter a few seconds. Now I have preheated some water, so it takes less time. And I forgot to tell you that I have soaked some of the red lentils beforehand, so that's what I'm adding right now. All the other vegetables. Except garlic. Garlic we established that we were putting at the end. And I forgot to also tell you, now is the time to add bay leaf. That's what I always add when I'm cooking lentils, beans, all the legumes. And it is very good for digestive issues, bay leaf, so that's what I add with all my legumes. I'm just gonna pull it out. about 2-3 for the whole pot. And I started off that sauce already for something previously, so I'm just gonna dump it all in. I don't like to waste, so a little water in the jar. Now it's showing me that it's burning because it doesn't have enough liquid inside. But we're gonna change that real quick. I'm just gonna add the hot water that I have boiled before. Now you can eat this with rice or quinoa or pasta or even potatoes if you like. We like to eat it just like that without anything. And today we have buckwheat pasta to it. So you see the burn sign is off now. It's not burning anymore. And I'm going to lock this, let it cook. It was set for 15 minutes. Once the pot is locked, it's gonna count down to 15 minutes and it's gonna turn off. Now the steam is still gonna be on, but we're gonna come back and I'll tell you how to unsteam it. And we are back, and it just finished. So what we're gonna do now is I would be able to unsteam it here inside the house, but I don't want all that steam here inside the house. So what I do is I put it outside. Okay, come on with me. Okay, the pot right there. And I'm gonna just turn this around and let it steam. Now the steam is really hot, so you do want to be careful so you don't burn yourself, but you can also help it by pushing that little red thing with a fork and help it go faster. Now it's not gonna let you open the pot. If the red button is raised up, it's locked that way. So you have to kind of let it drop, and then it's safe to open the pot. There it is. The soup is ready. Now that garlic that we've talked about, I'm just gonna put it in. And I like to put in marjoram as well. So this is the time to put your herbs, if you like any. I like to add thyme or oregano or summer savory, any of those like Italian herbs. And it's ready to be served. Thank you for watching.